Hey, what's going on, guys? This week I got a text from one of my viewers, and it made me think for a while. He said to me, "Hey, Brett, I really love your videos, and why do you do your videos? Why do you do it?" And I had to actually sit back for a while. Well, one, let's face it, I get clients from it, but that's not the thing that drives me. That's not the thing that drives me. It's important, but that's not the thing that drives me. I really had to think about that question because there's other ways to get clients besides doing these videos. It's not something that I'm very comfortable with. So I really had to think about it. Why? Why do I do these videos? And I started thinking about it a little bit. And I have to tell you, the reason why I do these videos is because that's my gift, right? Everybody has a gift. My gift isn't speaking. My gift isn't my voice. But my gift is explaining things clearly and simply, right? But that's really, that's my gift, right? That's what I'm able to do. But I guess the real gift that I have, what I like the best about me is that I make other people better. Right? I take somebody from here and I attempt to bring them here. I mean, that's if they want to go. Right? But I'll give somebody everything that they need to make it to the other side. In fact, anybody watching this video will see that my presentation is not the best. I don't have the best presentation. My language isn't the best. My voice isn't the best. My Staten Island accent isn't the best, right? But one thing that I do is that I make people better. So whether you want to be an agency owner or whether you're a business owner, I create these videos so you could be better. That's my gift. That's my gift. I create videos that make your business better. So what I want you to think about is, what's your gift, right? I've recently come out and said several times that I worked for the New York City Department of Correction. That wasn't my gift. I happened to be a cog, in the wheel there. But I had some very strict rules that I just had to abide by for 20 years. It didn't leave much for your personality. There's do's and don'ts. But then when I got into doing this, full time, where, I retired back in 2015. So for the past almost 6 years, I've been doing this full time. I've had my company over 20. You could check who is. I've had the company since 2000, and I did it 4 years. 1996, 97 in my house prior to even having having Mindsaw. But nonetheless, my gift is explaining how to do something. So I'm interested in the money, right? But we do that later. The money comes later. If I could clearly explain what you need to do and you're able to see the same vision that I see, we'll catch up with the money later on. And you need to know in your business what you do best. I realized early on that I wasn't a very good website designer. But I did know that other people were. And people are always looking for work, so I hired one. Once I had enough money, I hired one. I'm a very good project manager, but I can't do everything, so I hired one. So I guess I'm very good at delegating responsibility and making sure that everything's running correctly. But my real gift is inspiring people that they could do. Look, you're watching this video right now. Right? And there's things that you wish that you could do. I'm here to tell you that you could do it. Look at me. I'm doing it. And when I started doing this, there were guys a lot better than me They spoke better. Maybe their lessons were better. They said stuff that I didn't understand, so I guess that was better. Right? But that wasn't me. That wasn't me. I had to think about what I did best, which was to explain things clearly. Right? And to inspire people and let them know that they can do what I'm doing. And that's my gift. And you need to look at your business and you need to know what your gift is. Right? Right? Your gift may be organization. Your gift may be building. Your gift may be, not everybody's gift is YouTube. That's not everybody's gift. But maybe you're good at something else. Maybe you're good at, plumbing, electrical. You're a dentist. If you're an agency owner, maybe it is YouTube. Maybe you have a very clear speaking voice and maybe you explain things well, right? But if you're here to explain things well and have a good voice, but you're only here for the money, that'll come through, right? That'll come through after a while. People will see that. Hey, I want money just like everyone else. Right? I want money, but that's not my driving factor. My driving factor is that I like to help people. That's what I like to do. So YouTube was the vehicle for me to do that. I chose YouTube as a way to get my message out to help people. And there's been a lot of people, all over the world. I got somebody the other day from Ireland. Many people from Australia, people from all over the United States, just reach out and just say thank you. Thank you for that video. That's just what I needed. I moved up in the Google 3-pack. That's what I like to do. I like to help people. I like to inspire people. And YouTube was the perfect way for me to do that. So you need to look at what you do. What's your specialty? And what stuff do you need to give away to people who are better at it than you? Right? You need to sit down with the old-fashioned piece of paper, pen and a piece of paper, and you need to figure yourself out. What are my strong points? What do I like to do? And what stuff do I need to delegate? If you're doing everything, you're doing nothing. If you're doing everything, you're doing nothing. Because you can't do everything in your business. I know in the beginning you may have to, but once you start building up a little bread, you need to be able to delegate those responsibilities to other people. Whether it be outsourcing your marketing, or if you do your marketing yourself, outsourcing the business that you bought. But to be able to do both, it's not going to last very long. It's not sustainable. It's not sustainable for you to do your marketing, do your business, deal with employees, deal with your accounting, deal with building codes and family issues and that type of stuff. Something's gonna break. Right? So figure out the thing that you do best. I'm telling you that you can do it. I'm speaking to you right now. You're watching this video, I'm speaking to you. Think about your gift. What is your gift? In fact, in the comment section below, just put what your gift is. I'm very interested to know. Guys, with that, we'll see you tomorrow.